Hi guys, this is Brooke Irish Bird channel. Hello everyone, it's Brooke Irish Bird channel, and I have this one, like Play-Doh of it, a Play-Doh, like that, a Play-Doh. It's my favorite Play-Doh because it's so cool, and we have a Barbie pencil case. It's so cool because I love this Barbie, and she said today I'll be a fashionista. You see that? And let's open this Barbie one. Open the Barbie one is Hello Kitty keychain with Hello Kitty is have a red bow and a little cupcakes on. She hold it and a little dress. So cool. And but this is not a keychain only. She had Hello Kitty ring. You see that? Like Hello Kitty ring. And this is a whole face of Hello Kitty. This is so cool because this is so big, but you hold it. It's so big. I want this like a pink color, like a push-up pink or light pink color. So cool. And we next open it is earrings, two earrings, like balls, ball earrings, like a diamond of it. So cool, like a white sparkling. So cool. And the next one is the last one is the Hello Kitty ring. So cool, like a pink bow of it. So cool. Little ring. Yellow. That's so cool. Okay, let's open it. This one, the Play-Doh. First, this one. You're the best. You're the best only. I'm the best. She's so very cool, and this have a mirror only. That's so cool. And this is a Play-Doh. I have a 7 Play-Doh in here. This is all my favorite colors, like a 7 Play-Doh of it. And the first one we see of it is the yellow. And this is a yellow, and this is the writing of the Play-Doh of it. And let's open it. This is a yellow Play-Doh. It's so cool because yesterday I'll buy this one only yesterday, and this a blue one with a to or from title of it, and like a Play-Doh. You see that? Ooh, it's so cool, like a blue one. Smell? Smells so good. But the blue one, it's so cool. And this like a green one. Play-Doh. Like green one, little Play-Doh of it. This is from ice cream maker. You do this one, and this is orange Play-Doh, like a little gift of it, and you open it. Orange, smell orange. The 3 of this one. This is my favorite color. Oops, she's begging. This is like light pink color or a pink only, like a gift of it, and she said a Play-Doh, and you open it. This one, that one, it's so cool, like a Play-Doh. And then this one is my favorite only, like a push-up pink color of Play-Doh, and you open it. This one, like a push-up pink color of Play-Doh, And the last one, this is my favorite. The first favorite of color of the Play-Doh is the purple one, because I love purple. I love purple dress, purple shoes. I like that one. I want purple Play-Doh only. So cool. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe it. Bye guys.